hello, and welcome back in to those that are regulars. And if you're new, welcome in. On this channel, it's all about a variety of different ways to be positive as I share my knowledge and wealth of information focused around healing collectively. So come on in and let's heal together. This video is focused on aligning, balancing, or root chakra. And if you don't know what a chakra is, or you're curious about it, maybe that's why you came to this video. I'll set a link in my description to the chakra playlist that I'm creating at this point in time. So you'll see an explanation of what a chakra is and the different types of chakras. Woohoo! So let's jump into it now. Another way to align your root chakra is by using crystals. I don't know what your belief is in regards to crystals, but I say to each his own. However, note that based on my research, I've seen scientific proof that the metaphysical properties within the crystals is what make them so useful in helping us to heal. Now, for me personally, I wouldn't say that I connect with every crystal. I do believe, based on my experience, that maybe based on your physical body and your emotional body and maybe what state you're in, when you touch a crystal or you're close to it, you'll know if you feel a vibration from that crystal. You'll know if that crystal is a crystal for you or not. But just a little bit of history before we jump back into aligning our chakra. I was always drawn to crystals from my childhood, and I just didn't understand why. I was just so drawn to their beauty. I just always loved collecting them without knowing that they actually had healing properties. That said, to each his own. So let's carry on and list the crystals that help to align the root chakras. Now, usually black crystals and crystals that are in the red zone are useful in balancing your root chakra. To name a few: black obsidian, black tourmaline, red jasper. Those three are really, really good for aligning your root chakra. And what you want to do is place that stone on your lower spine. You can also just carry the stone around with you on your left side, because it's known that your left side is your receiving side. But just experiment and see if your left side or your right side work best for you. I always say you have to be your own scientist. Don't just follow anything that people say. Do your own research using your own methods based on what you hear. Okay, now another thing that you can do in regards to using stones is meditate with the stone next to you, or meditate holding the stone as you do the chant that I've mentioned in my previous video. And you can also just do the meditation holding the stone, picturing red, picturing healing, picturing a sound, healthy lower body. Well, you want to picture your entire body healthy, but focus on the lower body since we're dealing with the root chakra right now. Now, I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and by all means, share with someone that could benefit from this. My purpose on this platform is to help as many people as possible to live a healthier, better, more fulfilled life. Have yourself an amazing rest of your day, rest of your night, rest of your morning, whatever it is you're doing. Take very good care and blessings always. Thank you for your time.